So, I want to talk about when a student is deciding between maybe 2 to 10 or so colleges that they have already been admitted to and trying to decide which one to go to because it's a hard choice. So, I said that you should look at academic, social, and financial fit. Today, I want to talk about academic fit. So, these are questions that I encourage students to ask themselves when making this difficult choice. Were you admitted to the academic program that you wanted? So, for example, maybe you were admitted to the college, but not the specific major that you wanted. Um, if you're not really sure about where you want to go academically, as far as majors go, is it easy to change your major at that college? Is it easy to transfer between, let's say, the College of Liberal Arts to the College of Business at that school? Did you get into the honors college? Did you get into a specific learning community that you wanted to get into at that school? Does the philosophy of learning on that campus resonate with you? Are there academic clubs that connect to your major or future profession of choice? These are not the full picture of a college because you're not just a student, but that is a good place to start, is looking at that academic fit.